Hey guys, Jeff at Canada Homes, and our tours of our vacant units continue. We are back at 522 Bonita, apartment number 3. This is a basement level unit for $995, heat and lights included. As you can see, beautiful kitchen behind me here. We're going to take a quick spin through and see what you think. All right, as we span around here looking at the kitchen, a lot of cabinet space as you can tell, single sink. These are vinyl plank flooring, not in too bad a shape. We got a full-size fridge, full-size stove, very rare as you get into these apartments. This right here in front of me is the entry into the apartment. We got some bifold doors coming through. Now we're gonna span across into the living room. And again, nice, large living room space. You will notice that there is no ceiling lights in these living rooms. They work off of a light switch, which is located right to my right here. And they operate a plug, which is over on the wall over there. So you do have to use a lamp if you're wanting light in the living room area. But the good news is that we have really large windows, and we are located at the back side of the property, as you can see, looking out into the parking lot. Now, backing up, we are going to be moving to our first bedroom, which is right straight ahead. Again, 6x8 bedroom, not overly large, but good for a kid's bedroom or secondary bedroom. Or if you have a roommate you don't like, that always works as well. Moving into the right-hand side here, this is the largest out of the two, 8x10, big enough for a queen-size bed. And again, nice big windows. Spanning across, have a look at that flooring, and your bifold closet doors right here. Now, as we move forward, we're going to come right into our bathroom area. Nice, good-sized vanity, toilet. We get a new tub surround. Check that out. And as I always do, I always like to check the water pressure, just to kind of see what we're dealing with here. Not bad at all. You can kind of picture yourself enjoying that after a nice long day at work. All right. Perfect. Now, as we come back out of our bathroom, again, right into our living room. As you can tell, guys, great size space, located in a great area of East St. John at 522 Bonita. So if you're living, working in the mall or anywhere close by, it's going to be a great spot for you. Reach out to us at info@canadahomesforrent.ca. You can also reach us on our website at chfr.ca. Thanks very much.